Hey guys, it's Glen. Welcome to Exile Profits demo, tutorial, bonus, all that good stuff. Before we get into talking about the product, if you're just searching around for the best bonuses, click below, grab mine because you're definitely going to get the best bonuses. You're going to get the best price. Now, if you want to know what Exile Profits is, I'm going to go through it all for you. We'll go through the sales page, we'll go through my bonuses, we'll go through the back office, and we'll tell you exactly what it is. So first off, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, and I am going to pop over to the page here so that you can see. Hopefully that's all working well for you. Okay, guys, so this is Exile Profits, and this is my bonus page. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to go over the bonuses first. So the first one is we're going to, these bonuses are put together on training, guys. We really want to get you guys up and earning some money right away. So the first one's going to be $200 per day on autopilot. You're going to learn Jono Armstrong's headline hacks, how to make incredible headlines. You're going to learn 5 really cool email marketing tips for higher conversions. You're going to and also learn timeless traffic and this extra special bonus. We've gotten the vendor to put some really killer special bonuses together for you. So we're going to make sure that you get all of those. All right, guys. So what is Exile Profits? Let's jump over to the sales page here and just talk about what it is. So classified method that pays us for uploading images. This is Exile Profits. You want to get paid for uploading images. So, exposed. Watch how Max makes $33 every time he uploads an image to a secret website. The more he uploads, the more he makes. So, what is this secret website, guys? Well, you can come here and watch this. You're not going to learn it there, but I'm going to tell you in a second. Extremely beginner friendly, absolutely. The more Max uploads, the more he makes. Yes. Once uploaded, these images pay him over and over and over again. Dead simple, no experience required, no further investments, takes just minutes, 30-day money back guarantee. All right, guys, what is it? This is showing you everything you need to do to make money on Etsy. And before you go, whoa, I don't want to be selling on Etsy, guys, this is so easy to do because all you're really doing is putting up images, right? And they're going to show you where to get the images, how to do the images, and then what products these images are going to be. And basically, you don't make anything until you get paid, till you sell something. And this is why this site is amazing. And once you put it up there, guys, you can do it over and over and over again. And there's people just making a killing on Etsy doing basically print on demand kind of stuff. So what is the back office? Here's the back office here. It's going to take you through everything you guys need to know. And guys, you're going to be able to pick this up for about $10. So it's totally worth it. They go into mindset because like all of these businesses online, you got to have the right mindset in order for you to make it work. If you want to make it work, you got to have the right mindset. So they're going to go through mindset for you. They're going to go through some proof of how this method works exactly. They're going to give you product ideas. They're going to give you product idea validation. They're going to give you free tools for your product idea validation and keyword research. They're going to give you the top 3 products to sell as a beginner on Etsy. They're going to show you design creation, create designs yourself, how to create your Etsy account. They're basically going to walk you through step by step. They're going to hold your hand. They're going to walk you through exactly what to do through the whole thing. All right, so that's the back office. Very easy to follow, very short, just simple videos that you can follow. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Okay, so do I like this program? I love this program, guys. I love programs that show you how to use um, marketplaces and different social media sites and how to make money on them. So I really love it. So let's go through what the OTOs or the one-time offers are. So you can pick this up for $12.95, guys. If you scroll off the page, it won't show it here because it's already. Let me see if I can refresh it and do it. Um, did it refresh the page? Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully that video is not going to play. Okay, so my AirPods are still okay. So if you scroll off the page like this, guys, see, wait, stop, 25% discount, guys. So you're going to be able to pick it up for about $9, right? $9, guys, for the front end. So let's go over and see what exactly is included. So you get the front end. So that's going to be the basic training, what I showed you. Now, I always, always, always recommend grabbing the pro version, guys, because they put so much more into the pro version. Basically, most of the front end stuff, unless this is all the money you have, but most of the front end stuff is limited to doing it very specifically, one or two things, and then you got to kind of expand on yourself. When you pick up the pro version, there's just a ton of more bells and whistles. They'll give you more, way more design ideas and all that kind of stuff. Upsell number two is the done for you package. Now, I highly recommend if you're kind of tech simple or you're not that great in tech, get them to set it up for you. Get them to set up all your account, you set up your Etsy, and then they basically just have to copy and paste everything they do, and it's done for you. So that's $100. And if you do the scroll off, guys, you can pick it up for $50. Unlimited traffic. If you're going to be selling this product, then I recommend that you pick this up. But if you're not, if you're just going to be going on Etsy and selling, then you don't need the unlimited traffic. Traffic mastery. This is a really key one. You pick up for $37. It's going to teach you how to leverage YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and drive 10,000 visitors to any site within 24 hours. And then this is my favorite, guys. Resell rights. Now, again, if you're just selling on Etsy, then you don't really need this. But if you want to go be an affiliate like I am and sell products, then this is what you want to do. So right now, if you were to go get an affiliate link for this product and go share it with someone, you'd make 50%. But if you have the resell rights for just $50, you would get 100%. So whatever that person bought out of these ones, you would get 100% of the profit. And so it would pay for itself immediately, and then you just keep sending it out. If you have an email list, you send it out. If you have a YouTube channel or if you have a social media, don't share the links directly on social media. Ask someone to message you or ask them for their email and then send it to them in an email. And then basically you can make a ton of money resell rights. So guys, whatever products you buy on Warrior Plus, you always want the front end pro version done for you and the reseller rights. You always want to be picking those up because they will make you the most amount of money. The other OTOs are up to you. If you don't know how to drive traffic, then yes, traffic mastery is always good. Anytime someone can teach you how to drive traffic, it's always a good purchase. But those are what I recommend. Do I like this program? Guys, I love these programs. I love these programs that teach you how to do stuff. Like I said before. So would I recommend Exile Profits? Absolutely. This is a no-brainer. Pick it up. Go set yourself up on Etsy. Take about 7 to 10 days. Get set up, and just then once it's set up, guys, all you do is process the orders, and once a day, upload another product image, or say you're going to do 3 months of product images. So by the end of that 3 months, you're going to have 90 products up there, guys. This is what you want to do. You want to set goals like that, not just like, oh, we're going to put one up and then wait for the best. No, you got to go, I'm going to put a product up a day for 45 days or whatever it is, 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 90 days. Do 3 months, like drive yourself to do that because that's the mindset that's going to take you to success. All right, guys, this has been my review of Exile Profits. Uh, Hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, if you want to grab it for the cheapest price, grab my link below. You'll be taken to this page here, and then you just can grab it. You can go anywhere and click the link, and you'll be taken right to the sales page. All right, guys, have a great day, and I will pop over here. I will see you on the next one. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, whoa! Before I end the recording, I forgot. Super important. If you are not interested in this product, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to give you my six-figure blueprint. Or right down below this video here, you'll see my #1 online business. If you just want to get into affiliate marketing or learning how to market online, click the link below, go through the boot camp, go through the business building thing, do whatever it takes, and start learning how to market online. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Cheers. This has been Exile Profit Demo and walkthrough and bonuses. Cheers.